Hello, my name is Celia.
Hello, my name is Ivan.
Hello, my name is Adriana.
And we live in Órgiva, Granada.
We are the students of the IES Alpujarra.
And today we are going to make the recipe of the two typical dishes of the Alpujarra Granadina.
The two dishes we are going to make are potato omelette and salmorejo.
The first dish is the omelette. Ingredients: 5 eggs, 500 grams of potatoes, 1 onion, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. First step: cut and fry the potatoes and onion. Peel and wash the potatoes and cut them into thin slices. When do same steps with the onion, and when it is all cut up, it is fried.
Second step, mix with the eggs. We beat the eggs and add the potatoes and onion. Allow a couple of minutes to mix well.
Third step, cooking the omelette. Put a couple of tablespoons of oil in a frying pan and pour it all in. When we see that it is set on the bottom, we turn it over quickly until it is done, and we take it out and put it on a plate.
The other dish is the salmorejo. The ingredients are 12 tomatoes, 1 clove of garlic, 1500 grams of breadcrumb, extra virgin olive oil, and salt.
First step, cut the tomatoes. Crush the tomato in blender and pass it through a sieve to leave the sand and skin behind. Cut the bread into pies. Add the clove of garlic, a generous glass of extra virgin olive oil, and salt. Blend everything very well and leave to cool in the fridge.
And finish, we add the ham and the eggs.
Delicious!
Hi, we hope
You like it?
Bye!
Hello, my name is Celia.
Hello, my name is Ivan.
Hello, my name is...
Hello, my name is Celia.
Hello, my name is Ivan.
Hello, my name is Adriana.
Hello, my name... Pero no te rías. Pero no te rías.
And
We
we are the students of the IES Alpujarra.
se ha quedado en blanco.